Hello. A week ago, a supervisor reached out and told me that he has no idea what to do to get people to come to work. He asked me to create a video on this topic. It's true. Absenteeism is nagging on the team's morale, and supervisors and managers often don't really know what to do about it. They have a job to do and results to bring. But if people don't show up, this causes stress, frustration, and a tremendous loss of productivity. Here's my short answer. Take a look at your workplace culture. Overall, it is all about cause and effect. Every action or inaction will bring certain results, and self-reflection on how to make things better is a must. Of course, I don't know the organization you work for, but I have seen it over and over again, so this may also apply to your company. Ongoing stress, negativity, poorly trained managers and supervisors, and bullying behavior are detrimental to any work environment and are often the cause that people don't show up for work. Daily pressures without the tools and techniques to conquer these challenges will lead to health issues, anxiety, and mental health challenges. There is probably a small percentage of people who aren't reliable, lazy, and would rather stay in bed on a Monday. But I believe the majority wants to come to work, add value, and leave with a sense of satisfaction when they go home. They are often parents, grandparents, and overall good people. Have the courage to treat them well and with respect, and watch the magic unfold. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.